In an electrifying revelation, the automotive world is abuzz with the unveiling of what is now touted as the world's most powerful production mega hatch. This high-performance marvel, boasting unprecedented power and style, is set to redefine the hot hatch segment. The vehicle in question is a stunning embodiment of engineering excellence and cutting-edge technology. It features a potent powertrain that delivers an astounding output, making it the most powerful production hatchback on the market. Under the hood, it houses a turbocharged engine that produces an impressive 621 horsepower. This formidable power is complemented by a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and stability even at high speeds. In terms of design, this mega hatch is a visual masterpiece. Its aggressive stance, characterized by bold lines and aerodynamic enhancements, underscores its performance credentials. The front fascia is dominated by a large grille and sleek LED headlights, giving it a menacing look that is sure to turn heads. The rear is equally striking, with a prominent spoiler and quad exhaust tips that hint at the car's incredible performance capabilities. The interior is a blend of luxury and sportiness, featuring premium materials and advanced technology. The cabin is designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience, with features such as sport seats, a high-resolution infotainment system, and a host of driver assistance technologies. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the interior, from the stitching on the seats to the layout of the controls. Performance-wise, this mega hatch is in a league of its own. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.3 seconds, thanks to its powerful engine and advanced drivetrain. The handling is equally impressive, with a suspension system that provides a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Whether on a racetrack or a winding mountain road, this hatchback delivers a thrilling driving experience. The vehicle also boasts a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These technologies work together to ensure that the car not only performs exceptionally well but also provides a high level of safety for its occupants. This new mega hatch is set to make a significant impact on the automotive market. It represents a perfect blend of performance, design, and technology, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and luxurious. As the most powerful production hatchback in the world, it is a testament to the advancements in automotive engineering and a glimpse into the future of high-performance vehicles.